Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a joke book. Are you ready? Let's start. So first I got this funny looking pattern paper and I'm gonna fold it in half to use it as the cover of my joke book. Next I have this sticky note. I'm just gonna stick it on so then I can write the title of my joke book on it. I'm gonna name my joke book the Crafty Panda Funny Joke Book. I'm using some markers to color on. I'm using different colors: green, purple, pink, dark green, and some orange. And I'm gonna decorate it some more. Here's some yellow. And there we have it. I'm just gonna secure the sticky note on with some tape, clear tape that I got for like $2. You can get it for less. And I always wanted a joke book, so today I thought to make one, and I always see it around, but instead of buying one, why won't you make one? So now I'm just decorating for my last touches, and here we have the cover. Next I have some paper that I folded in half. You can make as much as you want, but one paper equals 2 pages. Just know that you need to do some math here for the pages. Next, you're gonna staple the pages together. You can use tape or glue, but for now I'm gonna use a stapler. I'm making sure I'm stapling it securely, and then on top I will add some tape to make sure it stays down, just like that. Next, we are going to add some glue on the front and back so we can glue it on the cover. Just like this, slide it in and glue it on. Do the same for the back. Just make sure you get all the measurements correctly. And then if you have any extra paper going out, just cut off those extra paper. Here is the complete look for the pages and the cover. Now you can add some googly eyes too. I think it's like a funny look to the book. But I'm just gonna keep it how it is because I feel like this is too much, even though it looks funny. But now I'm gonna go to the first page and you can start writing in your jokes. Make sure you add as much pages as you can so then you can add many jokes. So this joke I'm writing is, what school do giraffes go to? High school is the answer. Because, you know, giraffes are high, and yeah, that's why high school. So thanks for watching. Please see my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. Bye! Here are some creative jokes you can write down. Knock knock. Who's there? Little boy. Little boy who? Little boy who can't reach the doorbell. Knock knock. Who's there? Nacho. Nacho who? It's not your fault. What school do giraffes go to? High school. Why did the watermelon jump in the lake? Because it's a watermelon. Knock knock. Who's there? Leaf. Leaf who? Leave me alone. Why do bicycles fall over? Because they're too tired. Why can't you tell an egg joke? Because I'll crack up.